Today, start with our lesson 1 of science. The name of the chapter is Living and Non Living Things. You already know a lot about living and non living things, but still, just observe there are many things around you. You can see a lot of things lying in your room, your toys, your bed, your chair, your table. And now just go outside and look from your window. What are the other things which you see outside? There must be flowers, birds, buildings, roads. All these things are there. And when we come to school by school bus. Or many of you come along with your parents by car or by scooter. So, can you group these things into natural things and man made things? What are the natural things? ये natural things क्या होती हैं? Natural things are those which we get directly from the nature, which we get from plants, animals, and rocks. You can see in the picture, along with the things which we get from plants, animals, and rocks, sun, moon, stars, all of them are natural. There is one more reason. हम इन्हें natural things क्यों बोलते हैं? हम इनमें कोई change नहीं कर सकते. They are provided to us by nature in this form. So these are natural things. Whatever we get from the nature, we call them as natural things. Whereas buildings, roads, cars, trains, schools, aeroplanes, all these things are made by humans. अपने आप तो नहीं बन जाती ना ये, अपने आप तो नहीं मिल जाती हमें डायरेक्टली. We make them. So these things are called man-made things. So, what are natural things? Natural things are the materials that we get from plants, animals, rocks. And what are man-made things? The things which are made by man. These are man-made things. So have a look. Your books, chair, your house, your car, all these are man made things. Whereas trees, water, flowers in your garden, sun, stars, moon, all these are natural things. And what about your teacher? Who's teaching in the class? It's a natural thing, yes. Not a natural thing, but a living being also. Whereas, what about robots? Is robot a natural thing or a man-made thing? कौन बनाता है robots को? Man. So it is a man-made thing. And what about light? If we get light from sun, वो तो directly मिल रही है ना हमें in that form. So that is natural. Whereas the light which we get inside our home, घर के अंदर बल्ब स्विच ऑन करने पर या लाइट ट्यूबलाइट स्विच ऑन करने पे जो लाइट मिलती है, is that natural? No, that is man-made. So light is man-made. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है जब हम उसे यूज करते हैं घर में, दैट इज मैन-मेड. और जो लाइट हमें सन से मिलती है डायरेक्टली, दैट इज नेचुरल. Other natural things are mountains, rain, all these are natural things. Whereas your table, your chair, your bat, ball, badminton racket, all these are man-made things. Now, we move on to the living beings and non-living things. You already know the differences. आप सबको मालूम है कि living things कौन सी होती हैं. What are the living things? that have life in them. Very simple answer. What are living things? Things which have life in them. And what are non-living things? Things which do not have life in them. बहुत सिंपल सा आंसर है. But still we have to look at the differences between living beings and non-living things. You can see few examples of living things. All animals, all plants, people, birds, all these are living things. Whereas mountains, you can see around you, we have the chain of hills which we call as Aravali's. Alwar mein hai na hills, Aravali's. Are they living things? No. Those are non-living things. अच्छा, एक बात और बताओ. The hills which are surrounding Alwar, are these natural or man-made? Yes, these are natural things. But अपने आसपास देखो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स भी है ना. So buildings are non-living, but are they natural thing? No, they are man-made things. So let's look at the differences. So पहला difference हम देखते हैं between living beings and non-living things. You just answer a question. All of you can move on your own. अपनी सीट से दूसरी सीट पर, फ्रेंड की सीट पर और सब जगह मूव करते हैं हम अपने आप. So all living beings move on their own and non-living things cannot move on their own. आपकी चेयर अपने आप मूव करती है या टेबल अपने आप मूव करता है? नहीं ना, हम उसे मूव करते हैं, हम उसे पुल करते हैं या पुश करते हैं, then only they move. Is it possible that you can go to your friend's seat on your own? Yes. Can your pencil also go on her own? पेंसिल अपने आप जा सकती है? नहीं जा सकती. So pencil is also a non-living thing. Or all living things move in a different way. Like you, me, all of us can move with the help of our legs. And what about birds? Birds fly with their wings. And have you seen fish swimming in the water with the help of their fins and tails? And what about snakes? Snakes also crawl. So all living beings move by themselves and they move in different ways. Do you know there are some animals who can move in more than one way? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? कुछ एनिमल्स एक तरीके से ज्यादा मूव कर सकते हैं. वो लैंड पर तो चल भी सकते हैं, हॉप कर सकते हैं, जंप कर सकते हैं और वाटर में वो स्विम कर सकते हैं. किसकी बात कर रही हो? लैंड पे वो जंप करता है और वाटर में स्विम कर लेता है. किसकी बात कर रही हूँ? फ्रॉग. एंड व्हाट अबाउट अ टॉर्टॉइस? Even a tortoise can move in more than one way. And a tiger runs very fast. So this is how all the living things move. We can walk, birds can fly, you can run also, frog can jump. But what about plants? Plants also move. How? They turn towards the light. आपने दिन में देखा है कि प्लांट या फ्लावर्स हमेशा सन की लाइट की तरफ फेस कर लेते हैं and their roots grow into the soil. So all living things can move. What about non-living things? अरे भाई मेरी तो कार भी मूव कर लेती है. बट कार अपने आप मूव करती है? No. Who moves that car? The driver. It is driven by somebody. कार को तो कोई चलाता है. Or maybe your cycle. You push that cycle. आप फोर्स लगा के उसे मूव करते हो. So, all things which move on their own are living things. and things which cannot move on their own by themselves. Those are non living things. So, concept is